Are there modern interpretations of Tir na Nog? Imagine a place where youth, happiness, and beauty last forever. That's what Tir na Nog means in Irish stories. But today, people still find new ways to think about this myth. In recent years, writers and artists have reimagined Tir na Nog in books, movies, and even video games. These stories often focus on feelings like longing for eternal youth or the fear of growing old. They make the myth feel real for modern audiences by exploring these emotions in new settings. Some authors write stories where characters find a hidden land that looks like Tir na Nog. They might discover it in a forest, a cave, or even in dreams. These stories show how the idea of a perfect, endless paradise still captures our imagination today. Music is another way Tir na Nog appears in modern culture. Irish musicians sometimes use the myth to inspire songs about longing, love, and the passage of time. These songs connect the ancient story to feelings everyone understands. In art, contemporary artists create paintings and sculptures inspired by Tir na Nog. They often use bright colors and abstract shapes to show the beauty and mystery of the myth. These works keep the story alive in galleries and exhibitions. Spiritually, some people see Tir na Nog as more than just a myth. They interpret it as a symbol of hope and renewal. During spiritual practices, some Irish communities include references to Tir na Nog, blending old stories with new beliefs. Travelers in Ireland might visit ancient sites linked to the myth. Places like old burial mounds or caves are thought to be gateways to the otherworld. These sites reminded us that the myth is still part of Ireland's living culture. Overall, modern ideas about Tir na Nog keep the myth fresh and meaningful. They show how stories from long ago still speak to us today, helping us understand our hopes, fears, and dreams. Whether through stories, art, or spiritual beliefs, the legend of the Land of Youth continues to inspire new generations.